So you're probably wondering how the diamond seller can offer such incredible prices on this fantastic collection of beautiful diamonds. Here's the deal. A lot of customers have been sacrificing quality to get a larger size diamond. That's created a unique situation in the market. See, a lot of jewelers have been buying up lower quality, larger diamonds to satisfy this demand, and that's driven up the price. Plus, it's left all these beautiful, high-quality diamonds just sitting there. We've negotiated tremendous deals and have collected hundreds of these beautiful diamonds. Compared to the best online prices, these diamonds offer a savings of 12 to 33%. You'll save hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars, and get a better quality, more beautiful diamond. Pretty cool, huh? See the collection and compare prices here. You won't be disappointed.